You know the grind, creating content nonstop, pouring your heart into videos, posts, stories. The likes come in, maybe even a flood, but your bank account still empty. It's like running on a hamster wheel, exhausting, but you're stuck in place. You dream of freedom, impact, and making real money doing what you love. But there's a gap between your hard work and real rewards. Here's the truth. Your content is a beautiful house, but you forgot the door. It's time to build that door so people can step in, experience your value, and pay for it. The missing piece, that door is your offer. Most creators give and inspire, but giving alone isn't a business model. Chasing likes and followers feels good, but it doesn't pay the bill. Shift your focus from applause to actual income. Your content should lead somewhere, like a treasure map guiding your audience to your offer. Actionable step. Define your treasure. What unique skill or solution can you offer? Stop sharing randomly. Start packaging your brilliance. This is your first step to real freedom. You've got gold in your head, untapped potential just waiting to be discovered. Unique insights and solutions people need, valuable expertise that can transform lives and businesses. Your knowledge is a currency. Package your knowledge. Transform your expertise into tangible assets so people can find it and pay for it. Make it accessible, make it desirable, and make it profitable. Start simple. Don't get bogged down in complexity. An ebook, a concise guide packed with actionable advice, a checklist, a practical tool to help people achieve specific goals, a short video course delivering valuable content in an engaging format. These are your first products, the seeds of a thriving knowledge-based business. The first doors leading to new opportunities and greater impact. Don't overthink it. Analysis paralysis will only hold you back. Just be genuinely helpful. Focus on providing value and solving problems. Got a podcast, a platform to share your insights and connect with your audience. Offer guests a VIP media package, a premium offering to enhance their experience, extended interviews, providing deeper insights and more comprehensive content, transcripts, making your content accessible to a wider audience and improving SEO, promo graphics for a fee. Help your guests promote their appearance and expand your reach. Leverage what you already do. Repurpose your content to maximize its value. Actionable step. Brainstorm one piece of wisdom, a specific skill, or a unique perspective you can package this week. Set a realistic deadline and commit to delivering value. Pick the easiest idea, the one that requires the least amount of effort and resources, and commit to creating a simple version. Focus on delivering core value, not unnecessary features. Done is better than perfect. Launch and iterate, learn from your audience, and improve over time. Let's build that first door. Unlock your potential and share your wisdom with the world. Likes are applause, but applause doesn't pay the bills. Build a journey for your audience, a path from cool content to I need this. Your free content is the entrance. Guide them to the next step, a webinar, live Q&A, or challenge. Even a small audience is a win. Those people are invested. Over-deliver, answer questions, build trust. Sales happen naturally through real connection. Actionable step. Plan a simple event, a live Q&A or workshop. Announce it, invite your audience, and practice building that connection. This is where conversion happens. Consistency is king. It's the bedrock of any lasting success. Think of it as planting seeds. You can't expect a harvest if you only plant once. Real success comes from showing up, day in, day out, regardless of the weather, your mood, or the immediate results. It's about building a habit, a rhythm, a presence. It's about being there when your audience needs you, consistently providing value. Measure your reps, not just your likes. Focus on the effort you put in, the content you create, the connections you make. Likes are fleeting, but consistent effort compounds over time. Track your progress, analyze your data, and refine your approach based on what works. Selling doesn't have to feel icky. It shouldn't feel like you're forcing something. on some. One, think of it as sharing your solution. You're not just pushing a product, you're offering a way to solve a problem, to improve someone's life. When you believe in your offer, selling is serving. It's about genuinely wanting to help people achieve their goals. Your story is your best sales tool. It's what connects you to your audience on a human level. Be real, be authentic, be yourself. Share your struggles and breakthroughs. People connect with vulnerability and honesty. Weave your offer naturally into your story. Don't force it, let it flow organically. I struggled with X, discovered Y. Now I help others achieve Z. Actionable step: create a mini commercial, a short, compelling video that showcases your offer. State the problem clearly and concisely. Offer your solution, highlighting its benefits and features, and give a clear call to action. Tell people exactly what you want them to do next. Make it sound like you, natural, not pushy. Let your personality shine through. This is your invitation, not a hard sell. You're inviting people to join you on a journey to experience the benefits of your offer. Practice until it feels right. Rehearse your mini commercial until it feels natural and authentic. In the vast ocean of the internet, it's easy to get caught up in the numbers game. The allure of millions of followers can be tempting. But let's be clear, you don't need millions of followers to build a thriving business. What you truly need is a dedicated tribe, a core group of individuals who resonate with your message, believe in your product, and are eager to support your journey. It's not about the sheer size of your audience. It's about cultivating the right audience and fostering a deep, meaningful connection with them. These are the people who will become your loyal customers, your brand advocates, and your biggest supporters. It's quality over quantity. Always. It's about engagement, not just impressions. It's about building relationships, not just accumulating likes. A small, highly engaged group of people is far more valuable than a massive, indifferent crowd. A huge, indifferent crowd might look impressive on paper, but it won't translate into meaningful results. They're just passive observers, not active participants. So, how do you build this dedicated tribe? Start by focusing your efforts on one or two platforms. Identify the platforms where your ideal audience spends their time and concentrate your energy there. Don't spread yourself too thin trying to be everywhere at once. Next, master your message. Craft content that resonates with your target audience, speaks to their needs, and provides genuine value. Be consistent with your posting schedule and always point back to your main offer. Make it easy for your audience to take the next step and engage with your product or service. Forget chasing fleeting viral fame. It's a distraction that rarely translates into long-term success. Instead, focus on building a real, sustainable business with a solid foundation. Offer real solution to your audience's problems. Deliver exceptional value in everything you do, and create a simple, streamlined system that effortlessly turns initial interest into consistent income. You have the power within you to create the business of your dreams. Unleash it. Don't hold back. Take the next step on your journey to success. Download my free ebook, The Ultimate Guide to AI and Digital Marketing, and discover how to leverage the power of artificial intelligence to grow your business. You can find it at The Ultimate Guide to AI and digitalmarketing.com. Your triumph starts now. Embrace the journey, build your tribe, and watch your business flourish.